As I drift in a world of fading shadows and growing colours, stars glitter to the horizon where the mountains rise and move gently at the mercy of the wind. Glide over a garden of canyons, cliffs and valleys, float over a fairyland of chimneys and towers, the unique rock volcanic terrain sculpted by wind and rain into a stunning landscape. Chasing bright colours illuminated by open flames, the quiet dawn interrupted only by bursts of fire, the only light, balloons aglow. The sun peaks over a distant mountain, red, pink, purple sky to tickle the imagination. Carved rocks of hidden chapels, a call of prayer echoes down the valleys, a testament to the strength I surround myself in this magical landscape I call home Cappadocia. Until such a day the horizon ends, every cave, every rock, and every sunrise shouts a singular message to you. Run, you beautiful creature, run wild and free, run like the wind. Run like the wind.